Hello everyone and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to remove Gmail ID from your Android handset. Go to the Gmail app from your apps list. Tap on the three vertical line from the top left corner. Tap on the down arrow key beside your email address. You can see there are multiple email address is added. In the last option you can see the manage accounts. Tap on this. Tap on Google. Here all the logged in account is showing. Tap on the email address which you want to remove from your Android handset. Tap on remove button from the below. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap on the remove button. That's it. You can see your selected email address is no longer here. That is how you can remove Gmail ID from your Android handset. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.